With so many new homes being built, privacy has become the #1 topic of conversation here at the Garden Center. Every time you turn around, a new window is looking down into your patio, or a neighbor's project pile is creeping into your view. Without strategically placed evergreens, your backyard can feel less like a sanctuary and more like a fishbowl. But here is the good news. The solution doesn't require a permit for a massive, ugly wooden fence. We can use living walls, trees, and shrubs that grow more beautiful every year while blocking unwanted invasions of privacy. And July is actually an ideal time to get these living screens in the ground. When you're ready to pick your new security guards, you want plants with a proven track record in our local mountain soil. My personal favorite for a native evergreen screen is the Arizona cypress. It grows incredibly fast, reaching over 20 feet tall and 12 feet wide in just a few years. It fills in completely, leaving absolutely no gaps for prying eyes. If you like the look of a ponderosa, but want something denser, the Austrian pine is your tree. It holds its foliage all the way to the ground, and it's highly resistant to bark beetles. Not everyone has room for a massive tree. For tighter spaces, we use columnar junipers like Spartan or Blue Point. These are tough as nails and have zero pollen, making them a no-brainer for allergy sufferers. Need to block out street noise? The Colorado spruce makes an excellent wind and sound break with a beautiful formal shape. And for a pop of color, look at the red-tip photinia or the red clusterberry cottoneaster. Both grow quickly and create a gorgeous, dense hedge that the local birds absolutely love. But planting these evergreens isn't just about digging a hole. Drainage is essential in our mountain soil. To get them off to the perfect start, follow my 3-step success formula. Step 1. Amend the soil. Blend 1 shovel of Water's Premium Mulch into every 3 shovels of native earth to help the roots breathe. Step 2. Feed the roots. Use our locally formulated 744 all-purpose plant food. The cottonseed meal keeps that foliage looking deep green. Step 3. Stimulate growth by watering your new arrivals with Root and Grow. A living screen is an investment that pays off in beauty and tranquility. To dive deeper, download a free copy of my new book, The Secret Garden: Plants as a Natural Screen, at watersgardencenter.com. And join us for our Green Screens class on Saturday, July 18th at 9:30 a.m. See you at Waters.